Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Day number 2 in this series on how to make a full-time income online in less than 90 days. So, guys, listen, I want to get straight into it, but it's very, very important and very crucial that you follow step by step in each video, guys. That's the only way to get success. You cannot skip steps and you cannot skip videos. So if this is the first time that you're watching this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm going live. And actually somebody just went ahead and notified that I was dropping a new video. Anyway, guys, very, very important to go ahead and start with video number 1 in this series so you can understand exactly what steps that you need to take, because I will be mentioning something in today's video that you might not have seen, and I don't want you to get lost or confused at all. So take these income streams, sign up, get started, and I'll see you at the end of this video. Let's go.
What is going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be video 2 in this video series, 6 figures in 90 days. So this is a video series where I'm showing you guys exactly how to start making 6 figures in 90 days or less. So one thing that you want to make sure that you do is subscribe to this channel, tick the bell icon, because this is part of a case study series. And I'm going to be releasing videos on a frequent basis. And you guys need to be notified of when those videos release so you can take action on them. And what I'm doing in this series, I'm showing you guys exactly what I'm doing to go from 0 to 6 figures in 90 days or less. Now, you need to make sure that you watch video 1 of this series. That will be in the description below. It will give you some context, and it's a prerequisite to video 2, which is this video right here. So in video 1, we showed you how to get set up with products. We showed you the results. Obviously, I practice what I preach, you guys. I'm getting results. I'm making money. I don't want this to be another video where I just show you guys a bunch of income results, right? We do that in video 1. In this video, we're actually going to be taking action on what we did and what we set up in video 1. So what we need to do here in this specific video is we need to start sending traffic, remember, to our all-in-one $25 business affiliate link. Again, if this does not look familiar to you, you got to make sure that you go to video 1 in the description below. Just simply follow the steps in the description. You will be fine. So you want to make sure you've copied this all-in-one $25 business affiliate link. In this video, what we're going to be doing is getting our first stream of traffic of website visitors to this affiliate link. And there's a service that you're going to need to accomplish that that's known as My Lead Gen Secret, okay? You're going to go ahead and click the link below to join My Lead Gen Secret. And essentially what it does, it's a service that gives you 100 leads per day that you can email offers to, okay? So you can email, for example, the all-in-one business. You're going to be able to email the other income streams that we also plug into. And this is going to be crucial to your success throughout this process. So make sure that you get access to MLGS, because you don't have to go out there and do all this legwork to generate free traffic online. It takes a lot of work, guys. I'm not going to lie. Generating free traffic on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, it takes consistent effort every single day. Now, we're going to teach you those strategies, but we want to help you guys get quick results right out of the gate. And to do that, we're going to leverage this resource to where we don't have to spend our hard work and our time getting 100 leads per day. We just simply pay this service on a small monthly fee, and they will send us 100 leads per day that we can email our affiliate offers to. So go ahead, join MLGS. And then the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on create a message. When you click on create a message, you're going to come to this page right here, and you're going to go ahead and select all the leads that you have available. I just went ahead and selected all my leads. Of course, I've been doing this for a couple months now, so they bumped me up to 200 leads because I've brought some customers into my lead gen secret, which we'll show you how to do that as well. And so that's why I'm receiving 200 leads per day, and you'll be able to get to that point as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a subject. We're going to create a body, and we're going to go ahead and send our affiliate link out. Now, this is just to get your guys' feet wet. You beginners out there that are brand new, I want you guys to get used to just the process for now. Don't expect a bunch of leads yet. Don't expect a bunch of sales yet. I want you guys to get used to the process of sending out emails. So there's a few ways that we are going to go ahead and we're going to create our email. Way number one is there's going to be a link in the description that will take you over to my 0 to 10K email swipes. So you get access to these for free that you can simply just copy, and you can go ahead and you can paste over here to my lead gen secret. There's also another way that you guys can go ahead and have emails created, and that's the HBA Premium Traffic and Conversion section. Again, you guys should have gotten this in the first video. If you guys do not have access to HBA Premium, then make sure you upgrade to that in this video here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on it. Then we're going to go to Immersion Magic Content Machine, and then we're going to have it create an email for us. So what we could do is we can say, will you write an email about, and I'm just going to leave it there for just a second. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to copy my affiliate link here. We're going to go to a new page. I'm going to paste it, and we're going to look and see what this product is all about, right? So you guys joined it. You're a part of it. But the best way to learn about it is obviously go through it, which you should be doing that. But at the same time, you could just go to the sales page, and the sales page will tell you more about the product as well. So we're just going to take the headline. We're going to copy it. We're going to jump back over to the Immersion Magic Content Machine and HBA Premium. And we're going to go and paste it here. Will you write an email about the world's first all-in-one $25 business that is new, smarter, faster way to step into an immediately profitable business online so you can see results in as little as 24 hours. And then we're just going to click on, let's remove the spacing here, Go Immersion. And now it's going to go ahead and it's going to write an email for us to go ahead and promote the all-in-one $25 business, AKA the Home Business Academy. So check it out, guys. We're going to go and copy the subject right here, and it gave us a full subject, and it gave us a body that we can just take and we can copy straight over to here. We're going to go ahead and paste, and then we're going to go ahead and jump back over here. We're going to copy the body here, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to paste it here. And let's go ahead and just make sure that we remove any bolding. And then we want to make sure that the text color, of course, is black. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this up here. And I'm going to space this up. And then sincerely, we're going to put my name here. And then it says, are you looking for an immediately profitable business online? Look no further. The world's first all-in-one digital business is here. Introducing the world's first all-in-one $25 digital business, the new, smarter, faster way to step into an immediately profitable business online. With this revolutionary new product, you can see results in as little as 24 hours. From the ease of your own home, create and grow a new business using the all-in-one digital business. You no longer need to figure out complex steps which take up your valuable time. This digital business provides you with a convenient one-stop shop that offers everything you need to start a successful online business. You benefit from online tools that streamline the processes of getting set up and optimizing your business. Start creating beautiful digital experiences for your customers. We're just going to go ahead and delete this part. That's kind of some filler there. Start growing your business quickly with the help of All in One Digital Business. Your success awaits. Don't miss out. Sincerely, Josh. So we can go ahead and we can, again, modify the AI written content as we wish. I think this looks pretty good. All that we need to do is just simply put in our affiliate link. You could put go here to learn more. Right? And then all we need to do is jump over here, copy our affiliate link if we haven't already. We're going to highlight this text here, click this link right here. We're going to paste, we're going to click OK. Then we click on perfect timing and we click on send email. Then our email is being sent out. This is an activity that you want to complete every 24 hours. Literally takes 5 to 10 minutes per day. And again, you can use the Immersant content machine here, or you can use my 0 to 10K email swipes that we add to on a weekly basis as well. So we've got 17 pages of these that you can go ahead and you can swipe and use inside of MLGS. So that is it for this video. Make sure you complete this email act.
Guys, that concludes day number 2 video. If you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel, guys. It means a lot to the channel. Also, what I was talking to you about yesterday in regards to the bonuses, guys, I'm going to go over the bonuses one more time so you really understand exactly what the bonuses are. Okay, so as you can see right here, I'm just going to go ahead and log into my back office for the E1U, and then I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and show you exactly what it is right here, guys. Let me go ahead and move myself over here. All right, this Vertex Live level, guys, right here. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is sign up to this level. Once you sign up, shoot me an email with your affiliate link. Very important. Very, very important. What I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to Traffic Authority, which is another income stream in the multiple income funnel, guys. So make sure you go ahead and get signed up to the multiple income funnel. Activate all your active income streams and then get started with these bonuses, guys. Okay, this is how you make money online, guys. This is very, very serious what I'm trying to talk to you about and tell you about. Okay, so anyway, silver package, this is what you get for signing up at the Vertex Live level. You're going to get silver package, which is 510 to 570 visitors to your affiliate link, which is a $660 value. I'm going to take your affiliate link. I'm going to go ahead and go other website right here, and then I'm going to copy and paste your affiliate link to jumpstart your success in this business, guys. So, let's get started with that. Day number 2 is complete. Let's get started. Any questions, make sure to hit me up. Make sure you comment on the videos, guys, what you like about it, what you don't like about it, what you can use, what you can't use, so on and so forth, guys. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.